To instantly transfer money from a virtual Visa card to PayPal, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure that your virtual Visa card is eligible for transfers to PayPal, as not all cards support this feature. Start by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the Wallet section. Click on Link a Card and enter your virtual Visa card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Verify the card by following the prompts, which may include receiving a small charge to your card and entering the corresponding code. Once your virtual Visa card is linked to your PayPal account, go to the Transfer Money section and select Add Money from a debit or credit card. Choose your virtual Visa card as the source of funds and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details, including the transfer fee, and confirm the transfer. The funds should be instantly available in your PayPal account, although this may depend on the specific terms and conditions of your virtual Visa card and PayPal account. Be aware of any transfer limits and fees associated with your accounts, as these can vary. To avoid any potential issues, ensure that your virtual Visa card has sufficient funds and is not expired. Also, be cautious of any suspicious activity on your accounts and monitor your transaction history regularly. By following these steps and being mindful of the terms and conditions, you can instantly transfer money from your virtual Visa card to PayPal.